Namaste friends, I am fitness trainer Sudhakar Mane. Welcome to this episode of Fitness Size India. Friends, I have seen people doing workouts with earphones inserted or continuously gossiping with partners or trainers during workouts or impatiently rushing to mobile phones to chat for long as soon as each set is over. This prompted me to take up a very interesting and important topic, that is role of mind in achieving results. Someone has said, if your brain is the hardware, then your mind is the software. Mind is an operating system that gathers, stores and manages the information using the massive processing resource of brain. Okay, let us compare weightlifter lifting heavy weights and dropping again and again, and a laborer lifting and striking a heavy hammer again and again. For both the persons, the activity is nearly same, but the aims are totally different. Here comes the role of mind in progressing towards the aim. Weightlifter doing it for increasing fitness and labor for earning the wages. Both get success in achieving the aim. In short, you get what you aim for. Extent of success depending on your sincerity. Similarly, imagine two persons, one very strict vegetarian and the other non-vegetarian. If without telling them, both are served with very tasty, healthy and nutritious recipe made from fish, prepared in such a way that it do not smell, taste or feel like non-veg food. Both will enjoy eating, digest and their body will get good amount of energy. However, after they finish eating, if they are told that it was fish, this piece of information reaching to the brain through mind in case of a non-vegetarian will be accepted by his brain as a pleasant surprise. But in case of vegetarian, he will immediately get uneasy feeling and will instantly start vomiting. In this case, same piece of information will be received by his mind as if poison has entered into his body, and hence will instruct brain accordingly, and brain will ensure that his body reject and throw the same food by way of instantly vomiting, which otherwise would have been easily digested and provided good amount of energy. So what went wrong? Friends, mind plays the major, important and decisive role in achievements. In short, sincere efforts with full concentration, focusing on aim and complete acceptance of given workout by mind yields phenomenal results, especially when correcting form and technique or structural deviations like hyperextensions or forward neck, etc. Role of mind is more important. We need to educate, activate and keep reminding our central nervous system again and again to adapt, register and produce positive results. This is applicable to all age groups, but more so to middle age group, because reversal of some of the deviations is one of the main aim for this category for improving health and enjoying remaining life with full of happiness. Thank you friends for listening to me. Keep watching further episodes of Fitness Size India. Do not forget to like it if enjoyed. Similarly, do communicate with us at Fitness Size India by commenting. Goodbye. See you.